How to change video resolution in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and make sure your project is loaded. Next, go to the bottom right corner and click on the gear icon, which opens the project settings. Then, under the Master Settings tab, look for the Timeline Resolution section. This is where you can choose the resolution for your video. It might be set to 1920 by 1080 by default, but you can change it to 4K, 2K, or any custom resolution you want. After that, scroll a bit down and check the timeline frame rate if you also want to adjust how smooth your video looks. But remember, it's best to set this before you start editing because changing it later might cause some issues. Now, once you have chosen the resolution you want, just click on Save at the bottom right to apply the changes. Finally, when you are ready to export your video, go to the Deliver page. Here, under the render settings, you will see another place to set the resolution. Make sure it matches what you set earlier or change it here if you need a different one just for the export. And that's it. Now you know how to change video resolution in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.